Hey everybody, welcome to my live. Well, we're not live. This is recorded, but welcome anyway. So it's Sarah with CreativeSarah.com. Today we're going to do a fun board. This is our new 10 by 10 boutique board, and it is a really nice double-sided design, lightweight, and completely reusable. So we're going to do this throw kindness around like confetti. So I'm gonna zoom in so you guys can see just, everything that I'm doing. And I'm gonna use this, I'm gonna kind of center it right here, and then I wanna get some of these confetti dots on this side and on that side. So bear with me. We are going to have to place this a couple times in order to do what I would like to do. So first, I'm going to place this up at the top and kind of to the edge. Okay, and I'm only going to ink or chalk. I'm only going to chalk this part. And we're going to use our coral. Now these are the names of these are the old names. So when you go to the website, shop by looking at the color that you want. So you're gonna look for, the new color is called Couture Coral. And I think the new, this one, it might be Peachy Keen. I can't remember. But brand new, just came out yesterday. So we're going to stir that up till it gets to be really smooth. Okay. And we're going to do our dreamsicle. This is already pretty smooth. I think it's Peachy Keen on the website. They just changed the names. So like I said, shop with color. So what I'm going to do is dip my little, I'm just getting a little bit because I want, for the most part, up here to be that coral color. Then I'm going to do some of the peachy down here. So it's kind of going to be an ombre effect. Just getting those little polka dots. And then I'm going to pick my transfer up. And I'm going to move it if I can. All right, here we go. Pick it up. Peel it off. And move it to this side. And then I will eventually meet in the middle. So we'll do our coral. I'm just going to do a little bit of that. And then we're going to do our dreamsicle, our peachy. Kind of ombre this down. Make sure we're getting to each little bit right here. There we go. I mean, they're just tiny little polka dots. Okay, let that go. I'm going to peel that up. And I should, now, I'm just going to set this here. I'm going to make sure this is dry. And then we're going to put this transfer back down in the center. It is super sticky. It should lay down just fine. There we go. We don't want no bubbles, no bubbles. Oh goodness. Okay, there we go. Now we'll go ahead and do the rest. I've got a bubble, no bubbles, no bubbles. Try to do it that way. There we go. So we got kind of a little ombre going. Get a lot for this. Whoops, I went off a little bit, but we can clean that up. No big deal. This is a fun transfer. Just gotta cover all those holes. There's not a lot, see, as you scrape this away, you can see there's not a lot of chalk that needs to be used, but there are a lot of holes, and so I'm covering a lot of space. They're kind of spread out. Just smooth it and peel. So this is going to be our background. Love it. Okay, a little bit came off of there. I wasn't very careful, but because of the way this transfer is, you absolutely can fix any little bit, because look at how it's just confetti. It's like you've sprinkled just a little confetti out there. And so we're going to have this dry. I'm going to dry it really quickly with this, especially the little polka dots, because this transfer will go on top of that. But I'm going to fuzz the transfer so that we make sure that there's no problems. And let me grab a little Q-tip, and I'll clean this off up here. No problem there either. So easy. Love Couture products. Okay, I'm gonna peel this and then I'm gonna fuzz it on. Actually, I don't have my towel handy, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna fuzz this right on my shirt. So my shirt is cotton, and it will have some lint on it. And as I fuzz, as I peel that up, it will have some lint. I'm gonna do it twice because I don't think my shirt is that linty. All right, so now I'm just centering this basically. And it says, throw kindness around like confetti. And we're going to do that in a really fun color, one of my favorites. It is called Aquamarine. I'm not going to worry about pressing every little bit down, just where my words are. And I'm going to grab this and wipe that off so I can use this. I have, my room is under construction, so it is actually so much easier for me just to wash that off than to have to to find another squeegee. So let's stir this up so that it is nice and creamy. Love it, love it, love it. Oh, I just love a nice chalk paste when it's nice and creamy. I'm going to get some of that onto my squeegee, and I'm just going to start spreading it around. Start spreading the chalk paste. Oh yeah. I even sing. Funny, funny. All right, I'm going to get a little bit more to get the rest. Oh, do I need more? Maybe not. Maybe I have just enough to finish. Oh, looks like I do. Okay, so I was able to just kind of take from other places. As you squeegee it off, it moves the chalk paste around. And let's peel. And reveal. I love it. That is so cute. So throw kindness around like confetti. Now, this would also look really cute with the hot mess with all the different colors. But I love the two tones. I love that peachy, the dark to the light, and then I love it with the aquamarine. So there you have it. This nice board is our 10 by 10. It comes with a nice piece of twine there so that you can hang it or use a ribbon of your own favorite color. And I hope you enjoy this project. Make sure you come back, see me again, and I will chat with you later. Bye-bye.